Like, okay, you are born, you are this dot. Okay, you see this dot, you are now here. And then when in childhood you open your eyes, people started telling you stories. So these are your stories. That okay, you are Indian, you are male, you are this, you have to take care in like family and all of these, right? This is how you should live, you should get to a good college, why is college important, what should we taught in the college, all of these, right? And your story starts building out. You understand what is happening here? This is how you consider. So this is, you can see like flow of time also in outer directions. Like if you say like the flow of time. So with that, this is kind of basically developing your story. That is preserved mostly in your own memory, but also shared with some people, right? So who you are is predominantly who do you think in your mind who you are, right? Because that is the principal person who is in charge of your story, right? That is how it should, at least it should be, right? I mean, everybody should be hero of their own story. It's like, because only that is the only version which can make sense. So now you are seeing what is happening. So your story is developing. I need a good animator. Then it will be like, yeah, animating outside. You can show the layers, like the family trap. All of these are like traps only. So it's like after 25, you need to get a house and all of these. So the one more, get a house. So how many years I gone in that? 20, 30 years, done, contract. And all of this, no, it's very templatized. So it's very easy to understand also if you actually are very logical. So now, you know what is enlightenment? Enlightenment is understanding of here till here. It's finding this edge and trying to go beyond it, or basically recognition of the edge. It's like there is an edge to this model. You know, this model is again the realization that it's a templated model, and templates, like machines works in templates. And a human life, the realization of the human life to break free, in the sense like a boy, very simple, boy dancing like a girl. You understand what is happening here? There is a possibility of life which is trying to saying like, okay, what if I have like this version or this selection? Like I what if I want to skip this, remove this, remove this? Where is my template? So this is actually this edge, no, because center, you are the center. So if that is this is like 0 and 1 situation only. If you know the center edge, knowing the edge, you can detect the center, you know. It's like by the curvature. So it's like interdependent only. Okay.